My family and I went on an expedition trip through 33 countries across Europe, Africa, and Asia. Eventually returning to our busy lives at home, we felt the need to explore once again. After building our new and improved vehicle, Life, we set out for another adventure. From home, we drove south towards our first frontier, Mexico. We feared the challenges of starting a Latin American trip, but we realized these aspects of adventure are fundamental to enjoying the raw beauty of our travels. Mexico was the perfect start for our trip because it offered everything from isolated beaches in Baja to amazing food and culture in the mainland. Our time in Belize was spent in Cape Cocker, where we were able to go diving together as a family. By witnessing how modern locals live, we learned so much about Guatemala. The country is a hidden gem with many places to explore and witness its culture with our home on wheels. And after, we headed to El Salvador and enjoyed our time by the coast. Home to untouched beauties unlike any other, Nicaragua is a country that we were able to enjoy in isolation. From snorkeling in the Atlantic and surfing in the Pacific, we cherished every moment spent there. Costa Rica is one of the most picturesque places we have ever been to, with colorful wildlife everywhere we looked. It is definitely one of the most diverse countries we have explored. Home to the world-famous Panama Canal, Panama is filled with impressive technological advancements, while still paying homage to its culture. It was the perfect place to ship our van life to South America. Colombia, our first country in South America. Everyone greeted us with smiles. This country is filled with many wonderful locations that are off the beaten path, which we explored with our 4x4 expedition vehicle, Life. Ecuador. This country has it all. From diverse ocean life in the Galapagos Islands to the Andean Mountains with one of the highest peaks in the world. We fell in love with this country and would definitely want to spend more time here. There is so much more to Peru than Machu Picchu and ceviche. We had experiences ranging from ziplining across the Andes to surfing waves kilometers long. It was a wonderful end to our year-long journey and is definitely a highlight of our trip. After a year on the road, we returned home. We went back to our regular lives, but during our winter break, we took a month off and flew back to Peru. Bolivia was really able to bring out the overlanders in us. From driving for days in the Uni salt flats or going off-grid in the Laguna route, this country has so much to offer that many do not know of, and will forever cherish in our hearts. Finally, the last country in our trip, Argentina. The landscape in this country made our long drives entertaining, and the cities have a perfect mix of history and modern class. It was the perfect official ending to our trip. After over a year on this Latin American trip, we made great memories with the family that will last a lifetime, and we wouldn't change it for anything. We encourage you to make your own adventures and live your life your own way.